If you have a can of plain white shaving cream sitting in your bathroom cabinet, you already own one of the best all-purpose cleaners in your house, and most people have no idea. That little can, the kind that costs $1 or $2, is packed with the same soaps and foaming agents found in cleaning products that cost 5 or 10 times as much. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use it to clean mirrors so they never fog up again, freshen your toilet bowl, cut through stubborn grease on your stovetop, and even lift old stains right out of your carpet. By the end of this video, you will look at that can sitting in your bathroom completely differently. Before we get into the how, let me explain why this works so well, because once you understand it, you will trust it. Shaving cream is built from soap, foaming agents, and a little bit of fatty acid, usually something called stearic acid. Those ingredients are designed to lift oils and grime off of skin gently without scratching or damaging anything. That same gentle lifting power works just as well on glass, porcelain, tile, and fabric. It is mild enough to be safe, but strong enough to cut through grease, soap scum, and everyday grime. Our grandmothers understood this kind of thinking. They did not keep a different bottle for every single job in the house. They found the few simple products that did many jobs well, and shaving cream was one of their quiet favorites. So let's walk through it, room by room, starting with one of the most surprising tricks of all. Let's begin in the bathroom, with your mirror. If you have ever wiped down a mirror and still ended up with streaks, or if your bathroom mirror fogs up every time you take a hot shower, this next step alone is worth the price of the whole video. Take a small amount of shaving cream, about the size of a golf ball, and spread it across the entire surface of the mirror, using a clean cloth or a paper towel. Rub it in gently, covering every inch of the glass, right out to the edges. Let it sit there for about 1 minute. Then, using a clean dry cloth, wipe the mirror off completely, working in small circles until the glass is clear. What you are left with is a mirror that looks freshly clean, with no streaks and no cloudy spots. But here is the part that surprises most people. That thin, invisible layer left behind on the glass also stops fog from forming. The next time you take a hot shower, your mirror will stay clear instead of steaming up. This happens because the small amount of fatty residue from the shaving cream keeps water from condensing evenly on the glass. Instead of forming a solid layer of fog, the moisture beads up and rolls away, leaving you a clear reflection even in a steamy bathroom. This trick works on any glass surface, so feel free to use it on your shower glass door as well, especially if you deal with water spots or fogging there too. Now let's move over to the toilet, since keeping that fresh and clean is something everyone deals with every single day. Shaving cream can help here in a simple, gentle way. Spray or squeeze a generous amount of foam around the inside of the toilet bowl, focusing on the areas just under the rim and around the water line, where grime tends to build up. Let the foam sit for a few minutes so the soap can start breaking down any residue. Then take your toilet brush and scrub as you normally would, working the foam into every surface. Flush when you are done, and you will notice the bowl looks brighter, smells fresher, and feels cleaner to the touch. I do want to be honest with you here because I always want to give you the full picture. Shaving cream is a great helper for everyday freshening and light cleaning, especially between deeper cleans. But it is not a heavy-duty disinfectant, and it will not replace a proper bathroom cleaner when you need to tackle tough mineral stains or fully sanitize the bowl. Think of it as an easy, pleasant-smelling way to keep things fresh day to day, while saving your stronger cleaners for the deeper weekly clean. While we are still in the bathroom, here is a small bonus trick worth mentioning. If you have chrome fixtures, like your faucet handles or shower head, a small dab of shaving cream on a soft cloth will buff away water spots and light soap scum beautifully, leaving that chrome looking shiny and almost brand new with very little effort. Now let's head into the kitchen, because this next trick might be the most useful one in this whole video. Every stovetop, no matter how careful you are, ends up with a layer of grease and grime over time, especially around the burners and knobs. This can feel like one of the hardest things to clean, since regular soap and water often just push the grease around instead of lifting it away. Here is where shaving cream steps in. Spread a layer of foam directly over the greasy areas of your stovetop, covering the spots that feel sticky or look dull from built-up grime. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting time is important because it gives the soap and fatty acids time to soak into the grease and start breaking it down. After it has had time to work, wipe the area with a damp cloth and you will feel the difference immediately. The grease lifts away much easier than it would with plain water, and your stovetop will look noticeably brighter afterward. For lighter, everyday grease, this works wonderfully on its own. If you are dealing with a stovetop that has years of built-up, heavy baked-on grime, you may need to repeat the process once or twice, or follow up with a small amount of baking soda for extra scrubbing power. But for the regular, everyday grease most of us deal with, shaving cream alone does a wonderful job, and it leaves behind a light, clean smell instead of the harsh chemical scent you get from many kitchen degreasers. By the end of this video, you will look at that can sitting in your bathroom completely differently. Now, let's move to what might be the most impressive trick of all, and one that has been used by families for generations, even if most people have forgotten about it. This is using shaving cream to lift stains out of carpet and upholstery. Whether it is an old coffee stain, a grease spot, a bit of mud tracked in from outside, or even certain food and drink stains, shaving cream can work wonders. Here is exactly how to do it. First, always test a small hidden area of your carpet or fabric, like a spot behind furniture, just to make sure the color holds up well, especially on delicate or older fabrics. Once you have checked that, apply a small amount of plain white shaving foam directly onto the stain. Gently work it into the fibers using a soft cloth or an old toothbrush, moving in small circular motions. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, giving the foam time to draw the stain up and out of the fibers. Then take a clean, damp cloth and blot the area, lifting away the foam along with the stain. You may need to rinse your cloth and repeat this a couple of times for older or deeper stains. Once the area looks clean, blot it dry with a fresh towel and let it air dry completely. What makes this trick so effective is that shaving cream is thick enough to stay in place on an upholstered surface or a section of carpet instead of running or soaking through like a liquid cleaner would. That gives it time to really work into the stain and lift it out gently, without harsh scrubbing that could damage the fibers. This is one of those tricks that feels almost like magic the first time you try it, especially on a stain you thought was permanent. When you are using shaving cream for any of these jobs, always reach for the plain white, unscented foam rather than the gel versions or the ones loaded with added moisturizers, colors, and heavy fragrances. The simple foam is the version that contains those helpful soap-based ingredients without extra additives that could leave a residue behind or affect the color of your carpet or fabric. It is also the least expensive option, which makes this whole approach even more appealing. What I love most about this trick is what it represents. It is a reminder that you do not always need a different bottle for every single job in your home. Sometimes the simplest products, the ones that have been sitting quietly in your bathroom cabinet all along, are more capable than we give them credit for. Our parents and grandparents understood this kind of thinking naturally because they grew up making the most of what they had. A $2 can of shaving cream, cleaning your mirrors, freshening your toilet, cutting grease on your stovetop, and lifting stains from your carpet is a perfect example of that same kind of thinking brought into today's home. So the next time you are standing in the cleaning aisle, deciding whether you really need 5 different specialty cleaners, remember this video, and remember that can of shaving cream sitting quietly in your bathroom.